From AAAFx, this is Chris taking a look at the crude oil market, and you can see that the WTI market initially pulled back a bit during the trading session here on Wednesday, and then turned around to show signs of strength again. And it's kind of a weird market right now because we are looking at a potential rally to 75, but we also have to look at the jobs number on Friday, which is going to be very noisy. With that being said, you also have to keep an eye on the fact that we have a lot of crosswinds. There are questions as to whether or not the Federal Reserve loosening monetary policy will help, as it could kickstart the economy, or are we going into a recession? There's also a lot of concerns out there about the Red Sea and the Houthis bombing. So I think in general, I'm a buyer of dips aiming for 75, but I'm not going to get aggressive. So over here in Brent, it's going to be very much the same thing. Let me go ahead and put a horizontal line where I'm thinking here at about 80.50 is where we end up. Doesn't mean that we can't go higher. Doesn't even mean that we have to get there. But right now, that's going to be my guideline. So I'm looking for a short-term pullback that shows signs of support on an hourly chart. You know, maybe somewhere around here, and then we start bouncing again. We'll have to wait and see. Jobs number could influence a lot of things. But really, at this point, I think one of the things you have to pay the most attention to is the fact that we're at a longer-term support level underneath that, 72 in the Brent market and 68 in the WTI market. Both of those could influence the buyers coming in to pick up cheap oil.